So today we're going to know and show you how to turn this to change outfits in Photoshop, which means you can fix a particular outfit with a new one. So this is how we were able to change this. This is how it was. This is how it is from this to this. So let's see how it happens. So if you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, drop a comment, share, and subscribe. It is the most important thing so as to encourage us to do more videos like this for you going forward. First thing is just duplicate your layer, number one. Then next thing is pick up your object selection tool like this. We now come hover around the outfits and get the outfit selected. You can do it manually, but it's a long process. So just do it this way. Just come hover around and then select the outfit. So it's going to make a perfect selection for you with ease. Now, just feather maybe two. Let's say two is fine. Okay, then you now come here, generative fill. Then you come down here, you see choose a reference image. We click on it. We go to where we have our image saved, a cloth that has literally nobody wearing it, like you picked it up from Pinterest or anywhere. I'll click select this and I'll click open. Once it opens, it's going to load. You can see finding subject in the image. Once it does that, you're going to see this place checked. There is no need to prompt. Prompt not available in reference object. So it's just going to make the decision logically, right? Leave everything the way it is. Don't change anything. Don't change the AI tool or anything. Then you click generate and allow it to make a decision for you based on what it thinks is good. Now, when it is done making the decision, as you can see here, it has actually fitted this correctly. Now, let's see. This is the first variation. This is the second variation, and this is the third variation. So it has placed it on the person's body accurately and according to how the person's body looks like. It's very important to understand that. You understand? So this is first one. You look around and see if you're comfortable with this. Second one, are you comfortable with this? And third one, are you comfortable with this? The only thing I'm noticing is that down here, I like the second option. This particular place where they had cufflinks, there's a little, something that is not right down here. So I'm going to come and remove it. So I'll come here, come down like this, go around like this, and then do what? Remove. So just to balance it out. It looks a little off. So I've removed the item, removed it from here, and I am good. Now, you can do this for many things, many things. This is just outfit change, and the particular way to actually get it done with ease is not that difficult to do. Very, very easy, but you must have the latest version of Photoshop. It's very important. You must have the latest version of Photoshop. That is just the truth. So try this out, especially if you do manipulations and outfit change in pictures. You want to induce a new outfit into another outfit. So try it out and thank me later. See you in the next one. Now, for the outfits that we actually have or that we've gotten, how did I get them? I just went to Pinterest. So what I'll do is I will click, just go to my browser, Pinterest, and search for outfit. Just search for clothes for men. This is what I used, right? Clothes for men. Then I'll have to get something that I want to turn it into, but make sure it is an outfit that no one is wearing. As you can see, these are multiple outfits that no one is wearing, right? Multiple outfits. You get anyone that works for you, you want to use, make sure it is actually looking the same way the person that you want to change it on looks, like this. See? See this. Let it fit, just as you can see here. These are different outfits that you can get. Download any one, go try to fit them and arrange them very well to get you the result you fancy. Always think like that and actually test out and see the one that works for you. Very simple and easy. The ones I downloaded are here. These are the two samples I got. This is the first sample. This is the first sample and this is the second sample. Then this is the result, as you can see here. So it's easy. So it's the combination of Pinterest, Photoshop, and Adobe Firefly to get the result as good as this. So try it out and always keep creating.